Well, there we go. So we have finished all of the pure math stuff that we need to do. So this book's basically sort of done, as long as you've been doing all the work. But I just want to make it really clear as to what's going to be happening over the next few months in terms of assessment and what you need to do in terms of revision and all of that jazz. So first of all, in September you will be having 2 assessments, and it will be purely done on all the stuff that we've been doing in lockdown. So I will set you a 1.5 hour assessment on pure maths stuff, so all the stuff you've done with me that's been loaded online, and Mr. Cooper will be setting you a 1 hour paper on all the statistics and bit of mechanics stuff as well that he's done with you. Now that's really important that you do well on that, because making it onto the year 13 course that's going to be dependent on at least achieving an E grade pass on that. So that will happen in September. Then in November is where we're looking at where we think the mocks are going to happen, and that will be based on all the year 12 content, so like an AS paper, but also with whatever topics we manage to get done between now and then sewn in as well. Now I think that you want to concentrate mainly on the content we've done recently between now and September in terms of revision, but you don't just want to do that. So as I'm not setting you a lesson this Wednesday, I'd like to have a little look at page 342 in this book, and it is that the exam style practice paper 1. You'll notice it says take time 2 hours on it. Now I'd like you to have a go at seeing how much of this you can do, and there will be questions where you think, oh my word, I can't even remember doing that, what am I going to do, what am I going to do? I'd like you to have a go at just getting stuff wrong and making something up, just using maths that you know. Do some maths on everything, mark it yourself, see what happens. You don't necessarily have to get this all done in one day, but I think it might not be a bad exercise to do. And then after that, if you want to go through and mark it, and then having marked it, see if going back through the book you can find a way to do those bits that you were totally stuck on, and that will be a really good part of the whole revision recall process. So I recommend you doing that. Now on top of that, over the summer, once you get into the holidays and everything, this revision guide here, I don't know how much of it you've done up till now, but if you look at the contents pages, which we did also print off for you, the first year basically ends at page 53, modelling with logs, and then there's a bit called You Are the Examiner and You Are Still the Examiner, which is a good thing to do. That goes all the way through the year. Now the stuff we've done on lockdown is the last 20 pages of that, so page 33 to 53 is what you've done with me. All the pages up to 33 were what we did before coronavirus came along and ruined our lives. So and then we've also got the statistics stuff over on the next page and mechanics beyond that, so look through at that. So all the stuff before there is, oh you can't really see that, can you, but there's a sort of heavy type bit at page 134. That's what shows the difference between year 1 and year 2. That's when you've got to that, and it would be a really good idea to do as much revision as you can of all that year 12 stuff that you have been doing before then. And I think this book does do some really nice things on it, but also don't be scared to use that one as well. So that's my advice to you, so just so that you're aware of what's going on. Okay folks, good luck with all of that. Cheerio.